In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on incognito mode or private mode in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. Let's get started with Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome browser. Click on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner. Select New Incognito window from the drop-down menu. Here you have a new incognito tab in Google Chrome. You can also turn on this option to block any third-party cookies that track you across the web. Let's see how to do it in Microsoft Edge. Open the Microsoft Edge browser. Click on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner. Select New in Private tab. Here, you have a new private tab. You can turn on strict mode to prevent tracking while browsing in private mode. If you are using Mozilla Firefox, follow these steps. Open the Mozilla Firefox browser. Click on the three-line icon in the upper right corner. Choose New Private Window from the drop-down menu. Here you go. Now you can browse anything in the private tab.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.